I'm going to show you how to share your setting or share your library to others. First, to share setting, go to Extensions, one-click, and Setting. In the first tab, you can see a box, Receiver Email. Type in the receiver's email, and then hit Share. And after that, and when it shows shared successfully, after that, the receiver is gonna get a notification below this line, accept or discard that sharing. The receiver is gonna get all the setting in this setting. Next, to share your library, your component. Go to your library, and then, for example, I want to share this bookshelf. Hit this icon, and then in receiver email, type in the receiver's email. Just hit share, then it's finished. And for the receiver, they can find that component in the library of their own. So that is how we share setting and the component library. Thank you for watching.